Okay, so I am facing multiple sclerosis. It's an autoimmune disease for the past 3 years now, and it makes you very negative because there's no cause and cure for the disease. It's like मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ hour of power join करने के बाद I've been a little bit relaxed about the fact कि ठीक है हो गया and I'm working on it. I didn't have the urge to eat junk food. This is good. My sister was sitting next to me and eating pizza, and I just had one bite. वो भी I was content. ये अच्छा है, एक bite is enough. So I'm more happy. Started waking up early, exercise,
Okay, cool.
taking vitamin D, sunlight, eating asparagus वो बहुत healthy
हाँ,
vegetable होता है.
okay.
I am more aware. I, I am loving myself more.
Hmm.
I, I am more positive. I forgave myself for everything. My handwriting is better than before.